Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize an image in Canva without cropping it. Let's dive in. First, open the Canva project you're working on. Next, upload the image you want to resize. Click on the Uploads tab on the left sidebar, and then drag and drop your image into the design. You can also click Upload Media to select an image from your device. Once your image is uploaded, drag it onto the canvas. By default, Canva might crop or adjust the image to fit the canvas size. But don't worry, we'll fix that. To resize the image without cropping, focus on the corners of the image. Hover over one of the corners, like the bottom right or top left, until you see a diagonal arrow. Click and drag to resize the image proportionally. This ensures the original aspect ratio is maintained, and no part of the image is cropped. If you drag from the sides, top, bottom, left, or right, the image will stretch or compress, which can distort it. Always use the corners for proportional resizing. After resizing, you can move the image around the canvas to fit your design. And that's it. If you're ready to create stunning designs, try Canva Pro for free. Link in the description. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.